Supo. Alfonso Stair. Look mo, Alfonso.
Alfonso is the back seat. 44 seat.
46?
And is he 46?
He's 46. Five. Yeah. Shana. Baby. How's the ride? How's the ride?
It's good.
Good.
And we're here to select our luggage.
Hey. Feel cold. Excuse me. What? Yeah. It's in my bag for a while.
Please.
Can we?
We're in Cebu.
Do you have your data? So cold. You feel cold.
They removed the airplane mode.
Yeah.
So cold here in Japan.
Jump.
That's not Japan. That's
Oh, picture. Okay. Picture. Hey, color pink. Color of the day.
Outfit check. Hey. Tagal. Hindi pa nag-uumpisa eh.
Pagka tayo nakakita ng wallet, kunin natin.
Baka walang naman.
Where are we going? So now we're gonna eat. We're going to eat. Hey guys, so now we're here at Mactan, Cebu Airport. We just ordered what?
Holiday. Kasi wala sa Manila nito.
For our breakfast. Wala kami ibang mapili kasi puro lechon.
Lelechon kami sa mga susunod na
Ano?
sa mga susunod na araw, guys.
We're gonna eat lechon. Ay, wala ba kayo napansin? New haircut. Ay, new haircut ka rin pala, no? Pero hindi halata. So after, what time is it? Time check. So we arrived here like 7:20. Now it's 7:56. 7:20 tayo nag-land, diba?
Yeah.
So after nun, mag-grab na kami from here to SM8 in Cebu, bus terminal to Hagnaya Port. Long drive.
Hoping na sana maganda yung weather.
Yeah. Going to Bantayan and tomorrow is the exciting part. I'm going to do skydiving, guys. So we're just waiting our food now because we haven't eaten breakfast.
We're in Cebu. This is Guapa. Guapa. Hanggang sa... Ano yung...
Hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya. And we just eat like biscuit, me and Shana, inside the airplane. Pero nag-coffee tayo, right? Like we had coffee 12 midnight and then
Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
and gusto ko mag-coffee ulit kanina kasi sabi mo baka mag-palpitate ako. Baka tinatanong mo kung may drinks ka ulit ngayon. Tapos sabihin ko lang coffee kasi sabihin mo magpa-palpitate ka lang. So, we'll be back later. Bye guys. Ay, wait lang. Ang mahal ng Grab namin kanina. Before ba?
Hindi ko alam, baka in talaga.
450?
Oo, kasi ganun din ang pwede na yaran namin last time.
450 yan. Okay. And sasabihin namin sa inyo magkano yung mga ginastos namin para kung gusto nyo pumunta din sa Bantayan Island, may idea kayo. So, bye guys! It's rainy day. It's raining.
Yeah, that means
First time yung papunta doon sa Bantayan Island?
Opo. First time din po namin dito sa Cebu. Opo.
Saan kayo sa Manila?
Sa Pasig po.
Pasig.
Yes po. First time po. Mag 3 days po kami ng Bantayan and then 3 araw po dito sa city dito
Sa city. Punta doon mga 3 oras.
3 oras na bus po, no?
Bus or kung kuhan, gusto niyo magkuhan na
Van po.
Van, yung black taxi ba? Kasi every 30 minutes may alis. Yung bus,
Matagal po.
matagal.
Sa van po okay lang po kahit itong mga luggage madami po.
Oh,
Okay lang.
So we're here now in the Grab going to SM City, SMC Cebu? SM Cebu City, North Bus Terminal. We're going there now.
Kaya po yan, nabisita na rin po ba kayo sa Manila?
oh.
Nabisita na.
Hindi ko alam.
Matraffic din po ba dito?
Oo.
Para Manila din po, no?
Traffic din dito sa ano. Tapos,
Anong tawag sa bridge na to? Ayan.
Marcelo Fernan Bridge. Yung kulay
Red po, orange po.
Yung bago, doon sa may seaside, yung Sisilex.
Opo.
Yung pylon, nakita yung dalawa. Yung Sisilex.
Ah.
Lugar lang dira.
What time is it?
Tingiran din.
Ano yan ako?
Binala.
How many minutes? 5 minutes more. Karating na rin sa Agnayan. Ilan na oras yung biyahe natin? 3 hours from the...
Tapos mag-ferry pa dito, 1 hour.
Yeah.
Tapos, teleported here to the van.
Na?
Teleport daw siya sa van. Di daw niya alam kung paano daw siya nakalapit sa van. Kasi kanina lang daw nasa Jollibee daw siya. Ngayon daw nasa
Nananaginip sa buong biyahe. Nananaginip pala siya.
You teleport here.
Tineleport bigla. Shana, I told you we're going to have a long drive. Diba before we go last night, I told you that. So I asked you not to be grumpy today. Diba? Yeah. Right? Okay?
We're going to ride down. Boat. Lahat na sila kaya natin.
Larga na lang sa silid yan.
1:30. Ano oras na ba?
12:38. Hey guys, so now we're here at Hagnayan Port. So we're here in the cafe. Say hi, Shana. We're just waiting our time, 1:30 p.m. And Alfonso's here watching NBA. See that? Hey guys! So we're back. At nakasakay na kami ng barko papunta sa Santa Fe Port. So susundin kami doon ng van ng hotel namin. Papunta sa hotel. Finally, konting tiis na lang. Makakapagpahinga na. Sobrang haba na ang biyahe namin. Simula ano oras tayo nagising? Di ba lang kami natulog? Ano oras yun? Nung umalis tayo? 3 something? 4 a.m. Tapos anong oras na ngayon? 1:24 p.m. na. Wala pa rin kami. Ang tagal ng biyahe namin. So, ayun. Babalikan namin kayo ulit mamaya. Papakita namin sa inyo yung room na binook namin. Yan lang. Show your face. Alfonso. Come. Come. Hello po.
Wait, Sorana?
Go.
Okay.
Thank you, kuya.
It looks like Sorrento.
Pagod ko yan. First time eh.
Halo na.
Hindi naman. Ayos lang. Maulan ba dito kuya? Panahon?
Simula kahapon.
Simula kahapon.
Wala naman.
Mga araw naman.
Finally, we're here. Ilan minutes lang? 2 minutes lang biyahe papunta sa hotel, kuya.
Malapit lang mo. No.
Are we
Sobrang
gonna
lapit
go
lang.
to
3
the
minutes lang
beach?
siguro.
3 minutes.
Sana
Are we gonna go to the beach?
Anong activity niyo bukas, sir?
Ito, shit.
Yung skydiving po.
Skydive siya bukas eh. Kaya ayun yung pinunta namin dito sa Bantayan.
Skydive lang.
Oo.
I want to make wet sand. To
Baka
make
meron din.
Siguro after na ng skydive, mag-activity tayo.
Ano ba ang mga mapupuntahan dito kaya sa island hopping?
Balisan lang to po, sir. Yung limang
Mommy, what's a quicksand?
Yung mango ba?
I don't know. Wait, let's listen to kuya.
Ruins, Octong Cave at saka Kota Beach.
Nag-offer din.
Yan ang tricycle ko, sir. Oh. Yung may,
Mm.
may number 166.
Kunin ko number mo kuya.
Kadalasan po dito sir, sa akin talaga ano na
Anong number mo kuya?
sir 985 po.
0985
033
033
86
86
91.
Doon sa island dating kuya, ilan mapupunta natin?
Depende sa inyo sir, pero in-offer ko yung dalawa lang kasi yung iba naman maalon kasi.
Mahalo na.
Bali,
Pero
in-offer ko yung
mas
dalawang
okay
island.
sa tingin mo yung land tour na lang. Come on na.
Hey guys, finally we're here. Thank you, kuya. Yes, po. Yung ID ko.
Ay, IDs.
Why is there balloons?
Wow!
Oh. It's my mom's birthday.
Come on!
Don't know. Go inside.
Come here.
Happy birthday.
Do you like the room?
So much.
3 beds. 1 for Shana, for me, and Alfonso. Okay, guys. So now we're here. I'll do the intro later. We'll just take a shower. I'm so smelly. Bye! Hey guys, so now we're going out to eat our lunch. Late lunch. Kasi afternoon na. Lunch and dinner.
Time check.
It's 4:40.
Oh my goodness.
4:40 in the afternoon.
Ngayon pala kami magla-lunch, guys.
Kasi kakatapos lang namin
Sana-
mag-shower.
Sana
Yes.
makita namin yung sunset here sa Bantayan. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go!
So, ayan, nakita nyo na yung room, yung design. Papakita ko ngayon sa labas ng room. So, here's the balcony and front of our room. Look at this guy. Sobrang peaceful, not so crowded.
Pero gloomy yung weather ngayon.
Yeah. I hope tomorrow makapag-skydiving ako. Wish me luck. This hotel is so nice. I think, oo.
I found another shell in the bed.
Dirty na yan.
Just put it here. Leave it here later. Let's get it, okay? Because we're gonna eat our lunch.
Saan tayo papatawag? Patawag tayo kasi kayo dun sa reception. Tara.
Yeah.
Amihan, no?
So now we're going to eat our late lunch at Amihan. Sobrang tagal ng biyahe namin pero sobrang sulit kasi sobrang ganda dito. Ang daming sobra. So ito yung isang ano nila, anong tawag doon? Isang villa? Ay, anong tawag niya kanina dito?
Villa.
Villa ba? So dalawa yan, ito yung isa, tapos dito yung isa. Flowers for you.
I found another shell now.
You keep it in your pocket. You have pocket right in the back. Just don't sit on it, okay?
Okay. Why?
Should I take a picture of you? Can you hold this?
A, pose, A.
Okay. Mommy,
We're staying at Sorana Island Villas.
Mommy.
So good in here.
Mommy's turn. Take a picture of me.
Picturean daw natin siya, guys.
Hindi kasama yung paa.
Let's go. So good.
So now we're just waiting our tricycle. I'll just show you the view in here. So this is like there's a ATV in there, and this the other villa. So side of the beach, not front of the beach. And then you can take your dinner in there, in the front. Dinner, lunch. But sadly, they don't have restaurant in here. Even pool, wala din. So, you have to take your lunch and dinner outside. But they have breakfast. And we ordered already for tomorrow. Sadly, we're just gonna stay here for 3 days and 2 nights. Hindi sulit yun. Kasi pinagtalunan naming dalawa if dito kami mag-stay for 6 days. Kasi 6 days kami dito sa Bantayan. Dapat. Pero ang gusto niya is 3 days sa Bantayan and then 3 days sa Cebu. So mag-ikot-ikot kami doon. Ayun ang movie niya. Super peaceful. Let's go. The truck is there.
Wait, I got this. I got many sheets though.
Okay, put it in your pocket.
This is for my collection. I have to find it.
So we have to go now, guys. I'll be back later. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye guys. Don't forget to watch our
Boracay vlog.
Yeah.
See ya. Let's go. Hello po. So now we're going to take a ride, tricycle going to Amihan. Magkano papunta sa Amihan, kuya?
30 per head mo.
30 per head. Okay. So 90 pesos.
Ano,
Come inside.
Mamaya, ako lang di ako lang susunod.
I found some.
Pwede din po. Tas, anong pwedeng mga gawin dito pag gabi, kuya?
Kapag Thursdays at saka
Late na kami
Sabado,
dumating.
Mayroon ditong rayban.
Saan po banda?
Pero ngayon wala na. Thursdays at saka Sabado.
Pero ngayong gabi po, saan po maganda
Doon
pumunta?
sa MG Square mo, mayroon dong mga restaurant at saka yung marami dong mga bar doon sa mga restaurant.
May mga inuman din po dito. Saan po banda yan?
Yun sa may MG Square, malapit lang sa amin.
5 minutes lang po ba pamunta doon?
Opo. Baka kung gusto niyo yung bukas, mag-tour kayo, land tour.
Apo, sige po. Yung kasama ko kasi yung nagplano sa land tour. May kinausap yata siya. Ito yung mga land tour nyo, kuya. Tapos ito, mga...
Yung Kamsawi,
ito yun na sa
ruins.
Nakikita ko sa TikTok, pating Kota Beach.
Yun sa Sandbar Mount. Kamsawi,
Kamsawi.
Ugtong at saka yung Sandira ruins.
We're here at Beach Cabanas, Amihan. Good afternoon. What? Dito yung binok ko, 18K? Ganito siya, oh. Ganyan, yung room. So, we're supposed to be staying here, but suddenly canceled. Meron siyang sariling pool, guys. Sa amin, wala. In front beach. Ayan, tambayan. Sayang. Ang ganda pa naman niya.
Yep, there's a lot of there outside.
Baby, where are we gonna sit? Where are we gonna sit? Okay. You happy? Shana, you have to ask first if you can play there, okay? Later, okay?
May surfing over sa ano.
You go find your shell na. Put it in your ano.
Baby, mahal pang price pala dito.
Mahal. So now we're here at Amihan Beach, Cabanas. So supposedly dito dapat ako magbubukas. Yung gulo nila kausap. Tapos maiba-iba yung price. Kaya kinancel ko na lang yun. Then doon na lang kami nag-isa. Sorana
Pero
Villas. Mas okay doon. Ano lang dito meron food at saka ano meron sila pool sa Sorana. Pero diba? Tapos may sarili mong retail. Hindi. Mas mahal yun. 18K. Tapos yun, mas mura siya. Pero mas maganda. Ano nga, peaceful. So, pipili muna lang. Gusto muna kami na kakainin namin. And we'll be back later. Okay? Kasi sana hanap lang ng chicken. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Ito yung chicken barriga niya. May kasama siya sa iyo.
Meron, sa taas. Sa taas. Why?
Sige.
Tapos may isa. May kasama rice.
Eh, lahat to. Lahat to may kasama sa rice.
Ito pa yung mga side. Sorry, yung wala lang po dito sir sa tapos sa side by then yung something.
Oo, may wala to something ako.
This one is kind of nice, but I have to keep it on.
Shana is collecting shells. That's kind of a lot. I don't think that one is nice. I don't think it's nice. This one is nice though. Like this and this one.
But the other one,
Too windy. No, I don't like it. I think it's broken. Ayan o.
Bro, it's broken.
This one.
Should I put it in the sand?
What's that? Ah, it's the sound of the wind. I thought someone is screaming. It's just the sound of the wind. Let's go. There's another beach in here. I heart Marlene's. It's kind of nice too. Let's go.
This is kind of small. You're supposed to put it down. Hello guys, it's me, Shana. I collect shells. And I found this one. And it's so pretty.
Chicken parmigan yan.
So,
Turn na lang kami siya. skydiving. Hindi na namin na-videoan yung kinain namin sa Amihan, but ang kinain lang namin doon is yung mozzarella poppers, chicken parmigiana, and ano yun sa'yo? Fish fillet. Ano yung kinain mo doon? Yun. Fish and chips. So, ayun. So, plan namin na mag-rent na lang ng motor kesa sa mag-trike. Kasi yung trike namin, 30 pesos each.
Papunta. So, pupunta pa balik. Tatlo kami.
Yeah.
90.
Yeah.
Pupunta, pagbalik.
So, plano namin mag-rent ngayon at check namin kung anong pwedeng gawin ngayong gabi. Baka ano na lang, perhaps. Yeah. Pagtulog na si Kuko. So, tomorrow mag-land tour kami. After nun, mag-skydive. Kung swertihin. Sana maaraw bukas. Sana talaga. Tapos, after, may nakausap ka na sa land tour, right? So, yung nakausap niya sa land tour is si Kuya na sumundo sa amin kanina. Sa ferry terminal. Papuntang hotel. Yun. So, ayun lang guys. Wala na.
See you later.
What time is it?
Time check.
It's 6:21. So, yun. Update na lang namin kayo later kapag may mga ganap pa kami. Kasi ngayon, mag-chill lang muna kami dahil busog na busog kami. At sobrang hindi makapag-swimming si Shana. So, ang ganap niya is pumulot ng mga shell at pakiramdaman yung mga sand dito. So, yun lang guys. See you later. Bye.
Salamat.
Let's go, Shana. Ha? Baka masarap yung luto niya. Dito yung mga souvenir, no? So guys, we're just looking for food to eat this evening. And we're checking some place where to go. Ayun, Tinder po.
There's squid!
Ano squid?
Yeah. Come here.
Later na. Tingin tayo dun sa dulo. Hey guys, so now we're here at MM What Seafood.
What seafood?
Yep.
We ordered this one.
Cheesy grill.
And then what you order, Pope?
Yours. Squid. So, we're here at MJ Square. Tama. MJ Square. At magdi-dinner lang kami. Then babalik na rin kami ng hotel kasi
Time
wala
check.
naman kami.
Time check
May
tayo. 8:56.
wala kami ibang pupunta.
Walang gagawin.
So, pag weekdays pala.
Tomorrow, ano errands natin?
Tomorrow? Sinabi ko na kanina.
Sinabi mo naman.
Yeah. Tapos, after neto, babalik na lang kami ng hotel and magre-rest. And another day, tomorrow. Yun lang.
Bye guys.
Picture po kayo, sir, ha?
Di pa.
Sana.
Bye.
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 Hey guys, so finally, we're here in the hotel and nakaiglip ako. Ngayon, mag-movie marathon na lang kami kasi wala kami ibang gagawin dito. So, Shana will be sleeping now. And me and Alfonso movie marathon and midnight snack lang. So, I will end this video now. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye!